So guys, in the previous video, I make you a baked pork pops chicharon. Then this video will be a nature spring. Do you try nature spring? Apple? It's a brand new. So this is a juice. Then if you drink it, it had a flavor like blue. Then it says nature spring. Hannah, is this a real nature spring?
Yup. But it's apple flavor.
And guys, this is the taste.
Taste test.
Taste test. Can you just
test.
open this?
If I mighty do so.
Then this. So yummy. I will try to do this.
No.
Oh,
Yummy.
so yummy.
So
It's like it's an apple flavor and it's like a zesto juice.
wait. If you eat an apple and you sip all his juice before you eat it, that tastes like this nature spring.
And if you try this, please like and share in the comment below. And goodbye.